Had to get the GoPro.
Down soft, right here, all the way down.
Thanks, bro, because I was already feeling that.
Yep, this is soft right here.
Get you some soft in your life. Awesome.
This is my last line right there.
Dude, you're killing it, bro. That's it. That's what I was looking for. Somebody that just knows how to test the boundaries just a little.
Yep.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Ooh, get you some fresh. Woo! Oh, man. Woo!
Cut left.
Cut left. Right over here, right? Damn, bro. That's some fucking gnar, dude.
It's gnar.
All right, so this fucker took me out of bounds under the rope and brought me to a cliff. You know, I'm okay with ducking a rope occasionally, but not whenever there's these fucking cliffs. And this isn't even in shit. It's on the other side of here. It's a huge deal. But I managed to traverse over to this huge powder packet, so you might as well enjoy it. So here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's what we call some out of bounds untouched. Woo, doggy. That's why we ducked the rope.